Push the lever forward to lower the bed. Lift the clamping bars. Grab the medium reducing window from below the thermoformer. Slide it onto the thermoformer and adjust it until you feel it fall into place. Grab the second reducing window and secure it to the upper bars with the screws. When using a reducing window, you must always connect the second window to the upper bars. When no window is needed, you do not need to do this. Raise the bed and insert your mold. Lower the bed. Secure the clamps. These will likely need adjusting to ensure a good connection. Now it's time to preheat the thermoformer. First, turn it on. The button is located on the back left of the thermoformer. Press the left button to start the preheating process. Then press the middle menu button. Click the right button, which takes you to saved projects. Click the warm-up option on the bottom right of the list. Pull the oven over the bed. This process will take about 5 minutes. You can watch the timer count down on the screen. Once the preheating process is complete, push the oven to the back. Go into the menu of Saved Projects again and select 1/16 inch polystyrene. Lift the clamping bars. Peel the protective layer off of the plastic sheet and place it on the thermoformer. Clamp the material in place. Check to make sure the material is taut. Pull the oven over the material. The timer will begin counting down from 101 seconds. Be sure to pay attention to when the timer is at 0. If you leave the material in for too long, it will melt and make a big mess. Once it's ready, push the oven back and pull the lever forward. The mold will rise into the plastic sheet. Press the middle button on the screen. This will initialize the vacuum and suck the material around your mold. Then press the far right button. This will blow some air up into your part and help separate it from the mold. Give your part sufficient time to cool before removing it.